guys! So good afternoon at ngayon nga ay dumating na ang ating parcel mula sa ating napanalunang light stick ng BGYO from Manay. Maraming salamat Manay, Sir Michael Carbon. Yan, nagpapasalamat ako dahil sa wakas dumating na yung pinakahihintay natin, ang ating BGYO light stick. Ito nga ba yun or iba? So it's already paid, sabi ng ating delivery man. So before we unbox this one, so let's wash our hands. First, tignan natin kung ano ang laman nitong box na to. From Plus X. So, yan. This is my address. May pangalan na rin with LBC tracking number. Please handle with parcel with care. So, yan. Salamat, salamat, salamat. So, mag-unbox na tayo. Kung gumagana ba? Hindi ko lang alam kung meron tayong battery. Sana may battery tayo. Okay? So, let's cut it now. Siyempre, tayo ay nag-sanitize muna. Isa-isahin natin. Okay. Ito na yung iniintay natin kasi ng mga unang labas, sabi sa Twitter, na ang dami daw defect. Siguro kaya ang dami mga na-delay. Pero nitong linggo nga ay isa-isa nang dumating yung kanilang mga parcel. At nag-announce naman din yung Plus X, yung nag-organize nito, kung saan nabibili yung merch. This is my second merch, if I'm not mistaken, from BGYO. Yung unang binili ko yung tumbler. At syempre yung mga endorsement, Sprite, Mentos, ano-ano pa. Yung mga pinagbibili ko. At kung ano-ano pa. Syempre naka-attend din tayo ng Tugatok. This is the box. Here it is. At siya meron tayong receipt. 1,999 with free shipping pinato coming from Manay. Suez Communication Asia Corporation. Yan. Yan yan. So, tabi natin ito mamaya. Siyempre, kailangan din natin resibo kung sakasakali may defect. Okay. Handle with care with our scissors. Natin. Yan, excited yan. Okay. So, tignan natin kung ano na. Uy, that's the logo, BGYO. Becoming the change, going further. You and I, originally Filipino. This is the whole box. Okay, put it here. Get it in the plastic. The receipt. Ayan. Talaga naka-sealed siya. Thank you very much. This is the logo, BGYO. Tanggalin na natin ang ating bubble wrap. So, at maraming salamat Manay dahil nanalo tayo sa pa-contest ngayon. Ano yun yung last minute na cart na ano yun? Na spin the wheel na ginawa nila nung nagkaroon ng YouTube live si Manay and other content creators, especially mga international mga international na reviewers. So ilang beses na rin ako nanalo kay Manay. Dati yung mga patiket, tapos yung mga pa-share sa Twitter. I miss Manay sa Twitter, pero babalik siya. May masyadong busy lang siya ngayon, pero nag-update pa rin siya. Ayan. This is the logo of BGYO. Ayan. We have also here BGYO. And nakalagay, BGYO official light stick. Ito yung content. Model, BGYO light stick. Material, PS plus ABS. Light mode, red, yellow, white, and off. So, tatlo. We have power, AAA. Light stick size, 100 by 100 by 250 mm. Light stick weight 150 grams, back size 265 by 114 by 113 length, width and height. Package weight 456 grams. Design in Korea, manufactured in China. AV7 Corporation with ABS-CBN seal. So this is the whole content. So syempre may logo ng Plus X and BGYO sticker. First time ko magkakaroon ng ganito. Kasi napanalunan nga lang natin ito sa contest. Syempre, choices. Let's unbox it. And then uy, si Bunanat with BGYO 8. Si Bunanat ang ating main dancer and the main winner siya ng ng best main dancer ata siya. Okay, yung P-pop awards this month. So, ganito pala yung mga photo cards. Nakaka-happy. Ang ating Bunanat BGYO 8. And we also have our card to the light of our lives. He says, this one's for you. Here's to lighting each other up wherever we meet. Let's keep cheering for and with each other and continue to make great memories together. We are forever grateful for your support. Loving you always. With Mickey, Nate, Jalo, JL, and Akira, our BGYO members. Yan. First time ko itong gagawin. Yan. Tigas, kulay black. Siyempre, ang ating light stick! Yay! Ang ating light stick. Tanggalin natin. This is the light stick. So, ang laki ng bilog niya with BGYO logo at the center. Yan. And then, meron tayong pindutan yan. Buksan natin. Ano ba? Okay. Ilang battery kaya to? Tama ba ginagawa ko? Hindi ko alam kung tama ba yun. Parang isa lang. Ganun pala siya. Nahulog pa, sorry. Parang isa lang. This is the bomb. Ano ito ipapasok? Dito. Dito siya. Okay. Close natin. And then, we have our user manual. So, kailangan natin magbasa kung paano gagamitin. This purchase is non-refundable. Do not drop, do not disassemble, reassemble. Do not put any part in your mouth. Avoid pointing the light directly to your eyes. Wrong battery orientation may cause internal damage. Place batteries in the correct according to plus-minus polarity. Use genuine high quality AAA alkaline batteries. Mukhang mapapabili tayo ng triple alkaline. Remove batteries when not in use. Light modes. Yan yun. We have short press only, red, white, yellow. Like white light that reflects all colors of the spectrum. This represents vibrant hope and energy that BGYO wishes to share with the world. Red, inspired Aces BGYO's official fandom. Red is the color and passion, heart, and dedication. Yellow, gold, likewise inspired by Aces. Gold is the color of high achievement, mobility, and bravery. Okay? So, ilan pa yung battery yun? Tatlo siya. AAA batteries. Hahanap tayo ng AAA batteries. So, we already have this battery. Iput na lang natin. Alkaline sa susunod, bibili ako. Pero trial lang naman to. So, tingnan natin kung gagana. Let's wait for another battery. Bibili lang ako. Ayan, ilagay na natin yung isa. So, susunod, bibili tayo ng alkaline batteries. Ayan, ilagay natin. Ano gumana? Ayan, nalak. 1. Yay! Kinikilig yan. Yay! Yay! 2. Gold. Blue. White. Black. Red. Yellow. White. Let's turn off the light. Okay. So let's have red. Go, 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 go. Yes. Let's have yellow. Go, 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 go. Yellow. This is white. White. Parang walang green. Nakikita ko sa kanila may green. Red, yellow, white. Red, yellow, white. Red, yellow, white. Red, yellow. Go, go, go. BGYO. BGYO. Okay. White. This is white. Yan naman nakalagay sa ano, merch eh. Red. White. Yan. So, turn na natin yung light. Yan. So, that would be the whole package of the BGYO light sticks. Official merch. The first official merch. Second official merch na meron ako. Kasi yung una yung sa Kumu, yung kanilang tumbler. Nabili ko yun. Nilang afford ko yun. Although, pricey din yun. And then, syempre, tago natin. Yan. Red, yellow, white. And congratulations sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat, Manay, para sa isang napakagandang regalo. Lalo na ngayong Pasko. Thank you, Plus X PH. Okay, ano nga ulit yun? That is from plusx.ph. Visit their website. Pwede pa ata silang mag-inquire doon. https://plusx.ph for this light stick. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.